Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm doing this fluorescent light in this kitchen lighting setup they got here. If you have a setup like this, these things will probably just push up, and you could push them and move them, and then once you move them you can kind of pull them through these holes. Alright, I doubt you have the same exact setup, but this is how this one comes out. I'm sure yours might be similar. And what we're trying to do is get access to the light. I have two lights in here. As you can see, this one is burnt out. How you can know what light you're gonna get, this is like a pretty large one. Usually there's a sticker on like the side of it, so you could get a look at the light, and then you can go to the store and get the same one that the sticker says. I'll show you what I mean. So here's my new one. And here's a sticker right here, and then also on the light itself it should say the length. Sorry, it's the morning, 72 T12. So when you go to the store, just find a light that says F72 T12. Some of these lights are kind of like obscure. This one, they only had like one of these in stock, and they're saying that it's just, since it's kind of long and just an odd length, so if you can't find it on your first try, just ask an employee, and if they don't have it, just try the other places like Lowe's or Home Depot. Anyways, so let's go and get up there. So I got my panels off. I'm going to try to get this one out without having to remove the other side. Now this light is so long that I have to twist it like almost all the way across the corners and pull it out. So if yours is really long like this, you're probably not going to be able just to pop it out and slide it out easily. You're probably going to have to do some maneuvering. Be careful, don't bust them. They bust kind of easy, and when they bust, they have gas in them and little pieces go everywhere, so do your best not to bust them. You may notice when you go to pull it out, it'll turn back on, and then you might get like a couple weeks out of it or whatever if you want to leave it in there, but I just recommend changing it at that point. So here we are up close. I think this is the push style, so we can just probably push this backwards and pull this out. Yeah, like that. Push to the side. I might have to do it on the other side. Hold on, let me check. Okay, so here's the other side, and this side actually has like a spot that'll retract if you put pressure on it. So this just pushes it in like that, and then you can pop it off. And the other side popped out, as I'm sure you heard. So now the trick is to get this thing out because it's so long. So like I said before, I'm gonna twist it all the way to the sideways, watching out for that ballast and watching out for the other light bulb, and then I'm gonna sneak it out this corner out this way. So I turned it sideways, and I'm actually gonna have to go out that way. As you can see, the light's kind of coming out the fixture already. Yeah, like I said, be careful for the other light bulb. You can take the other one out if you really want to get it out the way, but I'm going to slide this out off camera. Now before you put your new one in, let's go ahead and match it up to the old one. Make sure it's the same length. Okay, it's looking good. Everything's the same. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one in now. Okay, so I got my new one up there. Basically the reverse installation. And as you can see, this one over here, there's a spot for the little prong on the end of the light to go into. And then on this side, there's actually the same thing, but this side has a little part that can retract like that. So you want to put the other side in first, and then come over here. No, I'm sorry, put this side in first, and then go over there. And then when you get over there, you can push the light a little bit with a little bit of pressure. This will go in, give you enough clearance to get it in on the other side. Okay, and so I got it in, and everything's good. I'll go ahead and put the panels back in, and that's it for this video. So any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.